Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the auto brightness is not working on your OnePlus 12R. The first thing you have to do is that you have to go straight to your phone's settings. Now, once here, you have to tap display and brightness. Now you have to search for the option called auto brightness. This is the option that doesn't work for us. We have to disable it and enable it back again. This should just reset it. Apart from that, you can test it out once again. If you, for example, turn the brightness all the way up, enable this option, and this should go back to the default value that is based on our environment. Apart from that, what I do recommend doing, if it still doesn't work, is to take a microfiber cloth, or maybe not microfiber, just a soft cloth without any water or without any alcohols, etc. And wipe the clean just actually the ambient light sensor near the front camera. This should fix our issue. If it still didn't fix our issue, we have to restart our device to refresh the sensors. So to do so, you have to click the power and volume up and move this white circle to the restart option on the top. Now our OnePlus phone will be restarted and we'll take the further steps when it's turned on. Now, when our phone is turned on, we can just test our option back again. Let's go back to the settings, display and brightness, enable the turn the brightness up, enable auto brightness, and as I can see now, this option should be here. If it still doesn't work for you, we have to move to the settings here, system and update, and tap software update. Now we have to, as I can see now, I don't have the network connection, but if you do have the network connection, you have to actually search for the updates, and if you do have any updates, you have to update your phone, because there may be a just quick fix, bug fix for your phone. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.